Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, March 15, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. So we have a big day out here. Today is options expiration. It's also a quadruple witching expiration, which means we're going to have 4 different asset classes expire today. Also, it's contract rollover day. So if you are trading the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you want to move over to the M contract, which is the month of June. March will no longer be in play. So again, contract rollover, spiders or the S&P 500 spiders will pay a dividend. Got lots of different things out here today, so just be aware of that. Let's get started here. We have the futures up about 10 points. You can see they have rolled over a little bit here, but nonetheless, markets are higher to start. We'll see if that can continue into today's close. Right now, we're testing that 2800 pivotal level over and over and over again. We'll see if the markets can finally get through there. But in the meantime, we have some big earnings out here, and that's where we want to focus our attention. So let's get started here. We're going to start off with Adobe Systems. Adobe today trading at 258.60. The stock closed at 267.68. So Adobe coming down. It looks to be a little bit of minor support around the 257.50 level, but I'll be working on levels in a little while. Hopefully I'll have them ready for the chat room, so get ready for that. Another one here that we have this morning, that's a big one, is going to be AVGO. This is Broadcom. Stock is trading at 282.03, closed at 268.20, so good pop there. Again, I believe this is close to a new all-time high. I believe the prior high here was 285.68. So we're close to it. We're not there yet. Again, you got to get through that 285.68 level. Then this thing can have some more upside. So if you own Broadcom, trail the stop loss immediately. But we'll see if that can go higher. Let's take a look at another one out here. Orcl, O-R-C-L, another big name. Stock is trading at 51.28. Closed yesterday at 53.05. I'm going to try to have some levels ready to go for Orcl this morning. Again, I do have them already worked out. Next up, we want to take a look at JBL, which is Jabil Circuit or Jabil Inc. as it's called now. Stock is trading at 26.65, closed at it's trading at 27.65, closed at 27.41. So it's been all over the map, but again, it's really right by its closing print yesterday. So we'll see how this shakes out today. Again, I have levels done already for that as well, so we'll see if it does come into play. Let's take a look at another one here, which is Ulta Beauty, ULTA is the ticker symbol here. Stock is catching a bid, trading at 328.88. This is on the back of earnings. Stock closed yesterday at 312.51. So good little pop there for Ulta Salon. I believe the prior high was 314.86. So this is a new all-time high for this stock. Again, nothing you want to do with that. Let it run. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone. There's really nothing to do. I would not be chasing it up here, but excellent. This is an excellent move for the name. Let's take a look at Amazon, AMZN. It looks like that was upgraded today. Stock is trading at 17.03, spot 97. Closed at 16.85.29. So good little pop on the back of that upgrade today, and we'll see how that shakes out once the opening bell rings. Next up, we have Facebook. Facebook right now trading at 167.70. Looks like Chief Product Officer left the company. Also, the VP of WhatsApp has left as well. So you got a couple departures there from some insiders, and stock is getting hit a little bit. Closed at 170.26, now trading at 167.70. So Facebook under a little bit of pressure. We'll look at that one once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at another earnings play out here. DOCU, which is Docusign. Stock right now is trading at $58.37, closed at $58.85. Briefly sold down to the 52 level, but that has come back basically to the flat line now. So we'll see how that plays out. I think this has upside to $60, maybe even 62 and change. I don't really see it going past that, much past that. You could see here in the after hours yesterday, stock got up to 62 bucks. So again, that would probably be, 62.50, 63 would probably be the extent of the upside there. Let's take a look at Pivotal. PVTL is one more here. I believe this is on the back of earnings. Stock is trading at 21.09, closed at 22.43. So this is down ticking a little bit. I don't know if we could really make more out of it than that. We'll see how this one plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at one more here. Newell, looks like they're going to get a new CEO soon. Looks like from the news, at least from what I've seen, the announcement of CEO Michael Polk, his retirement, is effective at the end of the second quarter. So again, this stock has been really in the gutter. Caught a little bit of a bid, now coming back in just a touch. Closed at $15.45. Many traders are watching this name because there's lots of shorts in it, but I don't know if this news is going to do the trick just yet. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. What you're going to see here for gold futures today, they were hit yesterday. They're rebounding today. Right now, they're up $6.70 to $13.0180 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 123.02, closed at 122.42. So that's reflecting the uptick in gold this morning. You also have crude oil down 38 cents, I believe, at the moment, to $58.25 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, you'll see that's trading at $12.22. And again, basically, this is right where it closed yesterday. So again, oil futures down a little bit. Gold futures are up a little bit. And we'll see how this all shakes out once the opening bell rings. One thing I'd like to say is if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We got some good morning action out here today. Another solid day yesterday. And again, we're going to look to keep that going really throughout 2019. 2018 was a blockbuster year. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Trade right alongside of us. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.